about 2 million years to carve through this canyon, and it's the steepest, narrowest gorge in North America. We have a gradient here of anywhere from 180 feet per mile down to what we're going to see in the lower gorge of about 55 feet per mile.
So we got some fast water ahead of us.
We've got some good water for us, and that's why the rainbows love this water. Big aerated water makes them grow strong, and those stoneflies we're talking about is what makes them big.
Average size of the fish we can expect to catch on this trail?
Well, as a fisherman, or you want me to tell you the truth?
Now tell me the truth.
Let's see.
Tell me as a fisherman first, and then later on today, tell me the truth. Huge.
No, I think probably the average size fish that we'll see is anywhere from 16 to 18 inches, and we ought to see some nice fish in the 5-pound category.